Hello everybody, it's DOCTYPES from New Edibox and welcome guys to your 31st HTML tutorial. Now guys, I was taking you through a few subjects and a few topics over the advanced HTML advanced, and I thought that I will cover still the media tags, which are, well, not that popular and have quite a limited functionality in HTML, so I thought I was going to cover that subject, but then again, I think I will pass on that and I will get you through media tags when I'll go through HTML5 tutorial. So this tutorial, guys, will be the last one that I will cover for HTML, because I think we went through most important subjects and now there is only one, well, quite a technical subject that I wanted to cover and well, introduce to you. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the last tutorial that I'm going to do for HTML, and it is going to be a short introduction to different doc types in HTML. Since HTML 4.1 is the first HTML language and most of the tags are depreciating, and HTML is transitioning to HTML5, which is an advanced version. I'm gonna still get you introduce you to a few well, essential tags in HTML that are still used and that are still, well, popular in website building techniques. So guys, without me talking too much, let me just introduce you to the subject. There are three main doc types that are used in HTML, and those three doc types, I'm talking about HTML 4.1, and those three doc types are strict, transitional, and then the frame set. So what do they do and why do they differ from one another? I have the information ready for you guys, so I'm just gonna copy and paste it on my screen so you can see what I'm talking about. This is the first one is the HTML 4.1 strict, and as you can see that this DTD, it contains all HTML elements and attributes, but does not include presentational or depreciated elements like font and sender. Also, frame sets are not allowed. So this is the way that you would enter the strict HTML tag above HTML tag, because you always have to tell your browser what type of document you're going to use. So if you're using strict, or let's say Webmaster uses a strict HTML doc type, this is the address and this is the way you would type it in. Now, the second one, HTML doc type, is transitional, which is transitional from HTML to HTML5. So now, guys, I'm just pasting in all the text so you would see it, and well, this is the as you can see, it contains all HTML elements and attributes and so on, yada yada yada, and including presentational and depreciated elements. So frame sets are also not allowed in this doc type. Now the third HTML doc type that we can use is the frame set. And the frame set, it already says in its name and delivers the message, so it's pretty much equal to transitional, but allows the use of frame set content. Now frame set, you would ask what the frame set is. Now frame set, guys, is something that you would use to put up some additional styling for your website. If you would like to say make the structure of your website look as if it is consisted out of few frame sets. Frame sets basically divide your website into different sections, but they are quite rarely used and they are quite well, obsolete, if I may say so, and you would not use them practically in everyday website building techniques. So frameset doc type is the one that would allow the functionality of frameset. But note one thing, guys. I just want you to know these types, although they are not used anymore too often, because since HTML5 is in progress and is one of the most advanced ways of building websites nowadays, know that thing that we are going to go through HTML5 and we are going to be focusing on HTML5 website building techniques. So I just want you to know this part of a theory, because, well, in HTML4.1, if you will be building something with this markup language, these doc types are really important to know. So I'm just presenting to you so you would know, guys. Okay, boys and girls, really big congratulations for you all. I'm done with this subject, but really big congratulations to you all on completing the entire basic and a bit of a advanced HTML course and subjects, because that's all, well, for now, guys, what I have to cover for HTML. The next series of tutorials is going to be covering HTML5, and I'm really looking forward to it, because HTML5 is much more advanced, much more interesting, and much more engaging for your user and for yourself when you're building the website. So guys, once again, big thank you to all of you for sticking with me for 31 tutorials in a row. And I will see you guys once we start going through HTML5. Now, there is one more thing that I'm gonna post what relates to HTML, guys. I'm gonna make the full table and full reference stack on my website, newoutofthebox.org or newoutofthebox.com, whichever you prefer. And I'm gonna post the complete list of the tags that you can use in HTML4.1. So go to tutorials section and you will find the information there. So also be advised, guys, that I'm launching the website only in April 2012. So if you're watching this video before April, you'll have to wait for a complete reference tag. Tags, well, basically all the table with the tags. So guys, thanks once again, and I'm about done with HTML, and I'll see you in the HTML5 course. So guys, thank you once again, and I'll see you very soon.